morning, my patron people. This is Jean here. First thing I need to do to you lovely people there, my exclusive friends, is to apologize. I feel beholden to all of you lovely people who have contributed to me monetarily. I really, really do. And as you know, we are our plans have been scuppered and we are moving. As you know, if you've been watching my videos, not my exclusive videos, sorry for that. We are packing up, we are moving, and at this moment I really don't know when I will be able to do an exclusive video, because as you know, if you've been following, my room here is going to be deconstructed and then rebuilt. So I am going to be out of commission sewing. And I know that the reason that you have so kindly contributed to me is to see exclusive little tutorials, as you knew, maybe once a month or so. And I'm not quite sure when I'll be able to do that. I don't want any one of you to feel burdened by contributing to me. I am so eternally grateful for the support you have given me, but just realize that my heart is there, but physically I just can't at this time or in the very near future. We tend to do things very quickly. We are project people. We get things done, but we are also it's also our son and his move with his family involved, and then rebuilding my sewing room, really, and putting this massive project together in his new home, in our new home, in his home. As you know, our son, if you don't know, our son and my daughter-in-law, our one son and daughter-in-law, are moving into a much larger home, and they had the idea, why don't you sell your large home, since it's only 4 of us and it will only be 3 of us. Maxwell, my husband, and I. Elliot, our son, who's lived with us, is moving in with him. They have an apartment above the garage and a nanny suite in the basement. So Elliot's taken care of. They said, why don't you sell the family home of 28 years? As you know, it's been a not grueling, but it's been a process, because it's all happened very quickly. Everyone's like, oh, you keep trying to convince yourself. I'm like, of course I am. Of course I am. This is very, very difficult. But I'm getting on with it. Gotta get on with it. Gotta get on with things in life. This move perhaps came about 5 years earlier than I thought it would. But I'm making all the choices. I always say, it'll be good. So anyway, please bear with me. But the little thing, it's a little thing. We have a winner. If you remember way back, I had made this a silly little folded wallet, which I have put on a little clasp here. This was my tutorial, and we have a winner, Mary Brubaker Jensen. If you want this, it'll be winging its way to you. You could just contact me with your address if you would want this little pouch. This was a little folded. If any of you've made it, I would love you to email me at truelovequiltsforyou@gmail. I'd love to see a little picture of if you've ever done any of the little projects. I would love to see a picture of any of the little projects you've done that I've shared with you. Little tutorials again. As I said, I've put a little clasp on there. You can do them. When I had made it, I hadn't put it. You could do a bit of Velcro or a little. Magnetic snaps are wonderful, but you have to do magnetic snaps, if any of you have known, before you sort of construct it, because the fixings, the claw fixings, have to be inside. A little bit tricky, not difficult. I like magnetic snaps, but you have to do them sort of while you're making it, and sometimes it's a bit difficult. So I just put on a real pretty gold or brass little snap here. So Mary Brubaker Jensen, get in touch. Now, because I probably won't be able to do a tutorial for another month or so, maybe even 6 weeks, I'm so sorry. If any of you don't want to follow me or want to delete your pledges, by all means. As I said, I don't want this to be a burden on you and thinking, oh, we're contributing and we're not getting anything. But what I am doing is, next month, if you saw on my general YouTube, my little crossbody tutorial for my crossbody bags, I'm going to be giving one of you folks this little crossbody bag. Saw me making it on my regular video, and I just thought, well, if I can't show you something, I'll choose somebody who can win this little crossbody bag. So this will be sort of next month's prize. Again, I'm very sorry it's just life has gotten in the way. So this is sweet, these little crossbody bags. Again, let me know, this was just in my general YouTube tutorials. Let me know if any of you have made this, because these are sweet. I'm doing this on Thursday and Saturday coming. I have my craft show, and I'm going to be selling these. I made about 20 of these little crossbody bags. They are sweet. They are sweet. So I'll let you know how they sell. I think they're awesome. I think they're super. I made them for our granddaughters, and they love them. They're all fully lined. I like these little things. These are really sweet. So anyway, that'll be for next month. Somebody will be getting this. Hopefully it doesn't get lost in I got to put it somewhere safe so it doesn't get lost in the move. We literally have, here's another, we literally are going to have about 50 of these boxes to pack up my room. It's amazing. But I'm labeling them. They are safe now. They're not going in the pod. They're going for now into the dining room. I have just done sort of our first floor packing up. And I have upstairs 5 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. And then we have the attic, which is full, 28 years worth of fullness. And then we have the basement. Oh, so yeah, I'm tired. And last night, our son called, or yesterday, our son called and said, "Oh, our one granddaughter, Haley, had a school. She's in 3rd grade. Had a school concert. Oh, Mom, do you want to come?" And I'm thinking, no. My husband and I were so tired, and I had been. If you followed yesterday's video, Maxwell and I went down to St. Christopher's, and it was such a long morning. Oh my word, it was such a long morning. We were up at the crack of dawn, driving for hours, and then he called. Can we go to the concert and then go out to dinner? Last thing I wanted to do. But of course we went. It was so very, very sweet. It was so sweet. Maybe I'll put up a few pictures of us. I look terrible. I was so tired. But I put on my happy face, and it was lovely. We had a lovely meal afterwards that he treated. He and his father-in-law came. It was just a lovely, lovely time. His wife is, my son's wife is just away for a day or so. So he just had his 3 children. So it was a sweet little school concert, and I said it reminded me of when we went, seemed every week, with all of our kids to our kids' school concerts. Now we're going with grandchildren. It was lovely. So anyway, Mary Brubaker Jensen, this is yours if you want it. Somebody will be getting this next month. Thank you so much again. I really appreciate all your support. And yeah, I will be seeing you when I do. I'll let you know how my craft show went, probably on my other videos. Maxwell's enjoying this move because I'm trying to make it fun. I'm videoing him. That's just sort of like come out of the blue. He's really sort of blossoming. He enjoys that. So I think it's taking his mind off of this gargantuan move, which again will be a good thing. All right, folks. See you later. Bye.
She's waiting for love